Hey, Sisters, Anthony Rose. We got some cool two-step patterns for you guys. This is kind of like intermediate level. The thing that we like about this pattern is it looks much more complicated than it actually is. This is very doable. You guys are gonna like this one, but it looks kind of cool. Now, if you're brand new here at the channel, we post all of the country dances from two-step to West Coast swing to waltz and all that. But you're gonna notice this little button down here and it says subscribe. Now, if you click that button, then you become an ex-dancer and you know when all the awesome stuff happens here on the channel. Now, we're gonna demonstrate it and then we'll break it down. All right, guys, so this is called the check and Hammerlock Reverse because that's the name for this that we came up with right before we filmed it.
Exactly. So professional.
There's literally no technical name, and depending on where in the country you are, things are called different things anyway. So we'll demonstrate for you, and then we'll break it down. So we start with the basic, and we dance quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and back to a promenade. We'll show you that again from this side, a little bit faster. Quick, quick, slow, slow. So here's our hammerlock. We have an arm catch. We catch her by the side. We bring her in for a partner pivot and around to a promenade. Now let's break that down. Guys, we're gonna break this down one piece at a time. The thing you gotta know is this is not as complicated as it looks. So it's just certain elements put in a different order. It looks really cool, but it's actually pretty complicated. And there's nothing really in this that we haven't at least somewhat touched on in another video before. So we're gonna start with a basic position and we're gonna go quick, quick, slow, and then leaders, you're gonna back up for that second slow, letting her to continue through, and we get to this two-hand hold. So if we show you that third, there's no pushing her into that. I'm not gonna chest bump her to get her to move. I just put her in motion, allow her to continue as I slide down the arm to get to that hand. From here, the thing is I've got to go into this wrap position as I work my way around her while I keep her facing in the same direction. So quick, quick, slow. She stepped forward, forward, forward. At that point, I've gotten all the way around her and I'm on this side of her so I can take both hands and lead her back, okay? So from this position, she is back on her left foot and she's gonna continue to move in that direction as I continue to move in that direction until we get to this hammerlock for quick, quick, slow, slow. All right, so we're still moving down this line of dance. So if we show you that from the beginning, we just have quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Let me show you that arm connection. All right, guys, so once we get to this two-hand hold, I'm working my way around. The left hand comes up, my right hand stays down. That's quick, quick. And then I work my way all the way around. I get her to this wrap position, and then I start backing her up. As I back her up, I wanna bring that left hand back up, okay? So we have the same, we're talking about women are angels. I need to put my hand into that halo and then circle around. So what you're gonna notice is my left hand comes around that halo while my right hand stays down, and I circle it around, the right hand stays down, and we get into this hammerlock until we end up bringing that hand back down. All right, so from this hammerlock position, I'm on the outside. What I've got to do is I've got to get back to the inside because again, this is her straight line that she's got to go through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn her in, I'm going to take that right hand, catch it on the inside, and come up over top of her. Now I'm on the inside here at this point. I'm gonna show you this close up in a second, but I'm gonna stay in this line again, and then I'm gonna catch her on the side. She's on the outside, I'm on the inside again.
Really quick, followers, this is why it's so important to guard the girls, keep those elbows up, because he's using, especially in this pattern, he's using your arms for connection in a lot of this. So if your arm is down, he's got nothing.
Gotta make him accessible, and again, if he accidentally grabs things not, appropriate, it's your fault, is what we're saying. So guys, don't aim for them, guys. But it's technical. So we'll show you that again from this position. We're in the hammerlock. I'm on the outside, she's on the inside. I'm gonna circle my way around for quick, quick, slow. I've got that arm. And then we have quick, quick, slow again. Let's show you that close up. Guys, we want to know where you guys stand. So here in Texas, most of the dance halls have opened up. Like you can literally go out pretty much any night of the week that they're open and go dancing. But we know that not everybody is in Texas. Where are things at where you guys are at? So just comment down below because we plan to do some traveling soon. And we want to know where are the places where we can actually go to a place, teach a workshop, and then have, a place to go dancing at. So just comment down below. Let us know where you guys are at and whether the dance halls are open. We appreciate that. All right, so from this hammerlock, I'm gonna be reversing her, turning her in, but you'll notice my right hand's behind her back. I'm gonna release my left, but as I turn her in, I'm gonna catch that arm underneath. I'm gonna work my way around until it ends up over top of her arm. Now from here, I'm gonna redirect her again, but what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be looking for her back, and she's just basically gonna roll into it until we end up into this position where we're side to side. Keep in mind on the hammerlock, I'm on this side of her, but I've got to work my way around. She's gonna stay in that straight line again as I work my way around to have her going to that straight line. I worked my way to the other side. Now I'm gonna stay on this side again as I actually end up in this position. Now from here, I'm actually gonna turn her in. I'm gonna use that hand that's on her back to spin her around and bring her to me. So I've worked my way around again to where her right foot ends up between my feet, and then I pivot around and I start looking down the line of dance. Now, this might make more sense if I show you what this looks like all together, but the position, like the alignment of where you guys are in relation to each other is the biggest factor here that's probably gonna mess you guys up the most. So I'm on the outside rail, I'm on the inside rail, I stay on the inside rail, but from here I need to get into that line with her so that we can actually continue that through. So now if we show you this from the beginning, we're in the same line, quick, quick, slow, slow. I'm working my way all the way around to that side for quick, quick, slow, keeping her in that line, backing her up for slow.
Followers, get all the way on this foot so you're ready to turn then.
Yeah, so you gotta be all the way on that foot in order to initiate the rotation. Now I'm gonna stay on this side of her for quick, quick, slow, slow, but from here I've got to work my way around the opposite side for quick, quick, slow, stay on that side, quick, quick, slow, turning her and getting in her path for quick, quick, slow, slow, and continue through. Let me show you that with music a couple times, and then we'll talk about a couple things. All right, guys, so to start out, we are in line. So we have quick, slow, slow. I got to work my way around. Now I'm going to stay on this side, quick, slow, so I get around to the opposite side, stay on that opposite side, get into the rail, continue through. We'll show you that again. We start here, I work my way around, so we have quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Stay there, quick, quick, slow, get to the opposite side, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Work my way in, quick, quick, slow, slow. If you're not caught on to this yet, she is pretty much gonna stay in this straight, linear, like spinny, turny, move back and forth, but she is not gonna go around him, he has to go around her. That is the thing you gotta keep in mind. So if you know where he needs to be, he needs to put him there. So we start in this alignment to where one partner is directly in front of the other, and we're gonna stay there for quick, quick, slow, backing up for slow. This is her line, leaders, so work your way around for quick, quick, be there for slow, so she can back up for slow. I'm all the way on the outside. I've worked my way all the way around. Now I'm gonna stay on that side for quick, quick, slow, slow. From here, I've gotta work my way in. She still keeps this line, it belongs to her. Quick, quick, slow, keep her in that line, quick, quick, slow, and now then I turn her one more time as I work my way in for quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. So the important thing is, where are you in relation to where your partner is? Keep her in this line, be a gentleman, the whole thing, let her do what she needs to do and get the heck out of her way when you need to do that. So we wanna know what you guys think. We're gonna demonstrate this in music a few times, but comment down below. Would you like to see more two-step? Would you like to see more West Coast swing? And by the way, if you haven't done so already, let us know, where are you? And are the dance halls open? Are people dancing where you're at? Because we're getting ready to plan our travels for the year. So we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you next time. Guys, if you enjoy our videos here on YouTube, we are absolutely sure you're going to love xdance.com. It is completely different than just a regular dance video. So check out that link right there. That is xdance.com. You can get a free trial of that. Let us know how you like that. But if you'd like to stay here on YouTube, there's another video down here. You can check that one out. That one's pretty cool too. And we'll see you guys next time.